Say that again. Huh? No, which one again? Oh, yeah. No, actually, no. Wow, but you're very observant. The circles got bigger. Doesn't mean anything. Okay. Price. Oh, yeah. So what do you all need to know? Huh? Okay. Be prepared with SES for these strategies. What is SES? You must know the strategy. You must know how to evaluate their pros and cons. Finally, you must know in terms of suitability for different firm types. Which strategy is more appropriate for which kind of firm? Okay. Do you know SES is in my console notes? Yeah, you go through my console notes, there are 3 columns: strategy, pros and cons, aka evaluation, then suitability. So be prepared with what you can before the exam. But during the exam, I would like to say, okay, during the paper, be prepared to discuss unorthodox strategies. Unorthodox strategies mentioned in the extract. Okay. And if the question is asking about suitability, suitability you could see as maybe very specific to this chapter. Why do I say that? In this chapter, we kind of know that oligopolies will not do price competition for fear of starting a price war. We know that MC firms won't really do R&D because they don't have the profits to do so. So when they ask about suitability, it's really about feasibility. Okay? So it's a bit different from appropriateness, because appropriateness is more generally applied to any policy, any strategy where you think of the pros and cons. But here, suitability is more whether you can do it in the first place. Okay, good. So be prepared with these strategies. Okay, rehearse once. Also be prepared with unorthodox strategies. Of course, I'll show you some questions. The last one is recall that for questions with 2 strategies, do you remember? If you have a question with 2 strategies, you have R1, R2, summative, right? For case studies. We are all talking about the case study versions now. But R1, you need thesis and antithesis. R2, you need thesis and antithesis. Okay. Before I started case study lessons, I was talking about this. Any questions?